Bitch, I'm closing the door. Fuck you, you whore, I had nothing more. I collapse, perhaps I'll relapse. I'm trapped in this house of horror. I'm furious, I can't endure this, it's torturous. If I see you again, I'm knocking you to the floor, bitch. I'm gonna settle the score, bitch. It would be glorious, this pain is enormous. Filling me, you're killing me willingly, no willingly. Nothing's okay, I'm cursed, I feel worse every day. One day I pray, you're gonna pay. I hope you're the victim of tragedy. I hope someone makes you watch as they murder your family, as they rape you, degrade you, run a train on you, force pain on you. Lady, you think you're crazy? Well, I'm insane too. I hope you get fucked with a knife to see that I trade my life. I don't just want you to choke, I want to slit your throat while I gloat. I want every bone on you broke, that would be dope. I want to watch blood drip from your neck while I disrespect as I fuck you to death. I wanted you in bed, now I wanna kill you, fill you with lead. I want you dead. Heard what I said? I hate you, I'm gonna decapitate you, I'm gonna cut off your head, I'ma make it rain red. Bitch, I'm gonna kill you, stab you to death while I drill you. Fuck you, you cunt. I'ma be blunt of my vengeance, you're gonna receive the brunt. It'll be my vengeance, bitch, when you get cut. Better get ready, I'ma get a heavy machete, and you're gonna get fucked. I'ma stick my dick in your throat till you choke while I call you a slut. Thrust until I'm busting and come, bust another one. Keep coming till I'm done. Then point a gun to your head before I blow out your brain after I came. Say this is for all the pain, then all you hear is a bang. Trigger pull, this is the result of all the bull of which you're full, bitch. Bullet go through your skull, bitch. And if you survive and you're somehow alive, I'll stab you with my fucking knife till it's dull, bitch. Reload my bullets, this is what you get. I'm ending your shit. Should've shut your big fucking mouth and instead suck my dick. I don't care, I'm prepared, you should be scared. Beware, I'm on a tear, I'ma grab you by your hair. Scream cunt, I dare, leave you grasping for air. I used to love you, now through the woods I drug you. Fuck you. I wanted you in bed, now I wanna kill you, fill you with lead. I want you dead. Heard what I said? I hate you, I'm gonna decapitate you, I'm gonna cut off your head, I'ma make it rain red. I will not tell a lie. To this honest, I promise I'll testify. You know why I want you to die. I'm gonna send you to the sky. I would've done whatever it takes. I never catch any breaks. This lust is dangerous. Now your skull I must bust, cranium crush. Any last words, you're gonna get what you deserve. I wanted you in bed, now I wanna kill you, fill you with lead. I want you dead. Heard what I said? I hate you, I'm gonna decapitate you, I'm gonna cut off your head, I'ma make it rain red. There is no real you, no one can heal you, you can't feel true. If I see you, better believe you are gonna get beat till you're black and blue. What the fuck are you gonna do? You can't fix it, you're too late. You made me feel heartbreak, your fate. I'm gonna burn this witch at the stake. I'm full of so much hate. Fuck you while you cry, fuck you till you die, that would be great. You broke my heart before I depart, I start to retaliate. I think back on our first date, the back of a hearse is your fate. We're gonna hear hell's bells as the heat swells, you'll never see heaven's gate. I'm losing my mind, love is blind and I can't see straight. You're a fucking ingrate, there's no debate. Too much drama, karma will harm you. You don't want no part of my vengeance. Fucking with me, you'll regret this. When I see you, I'm gonna make you bleed you. Gonna meet your end, bitch, you're horrendous. This whole endless. My heart, I'll revenge it. I'm praying on you, amen, bitch. I'm a sick, wicked, twisted individual. Shouldn't have fucked with the violent criminal. When I see you, I'ma kill you, I'm being literal. I wanted you in bed, now I wanna kill you, fill you with lead. I want you dead. Heard what I said? I hate you, I'm gonna decapitate you, I'm gonna cut off your head, I'ma make it rain red.